you miss people the most. I think, at least I miss my family a lot and my friends back home. Kia ora, I'm Len Blake and I'm an artist from New Zealand, and I've come over to London to pursue music. My mum's side of the family are Tongan and Scottish, and my dad's side of the family are from here in the UK. My perspective of my Tongan heritage has definitely strengthened. I think I feel a really strong sense of pride. It forces you to think a lot about your culture back home. You miss it a lot.
Te Piringa is a WAIATA about being away from the people that you love and really missing those loved ones a lot. It's a WAIATA reo Māori.
And I think trying to use more te reo Māori and incorporate Māori values into our lives more. It's such a cool experience to be able to do that on the other side of the world. So we're on our way to our first Ngāti Rānana rehearsal. Welcome to the Tube, to this hot, awful place. I'm excited. I'm excited. Ngāti Rānana are the London kabaka group. They're an amazing kaupapa, and it's so nice to be able to have such access to te reo Māori and to kapahaka so far away.
Thanks for having us here. We're really, really excited to sing this WAIATA together. We've just had the first rehearsal and it sounds beautiful, and I'm so excited. I'm so excited to hear it.
We do learn this song, like, as it all. Our guitarists pick up easily, like, how to play it. Are we allowed to sing it?
Absolutely! Oh my God!
My experience learning this WAIATA was a really lovely one. It's such a beautiful WAIATA. The kupu to the WAIATA are also just mwah. Even though I live in a city of 9 million people, it's surprisingly easy to feel quite alone. Until I found Ngāti Rānana. They've become my whānau away from home. They've been such a taonga to me.
To be a part of Ngāti Rānana, it's a family and a group of friends. You know, we meet up and we do WAIATA, we have a kai, all of those really important things in Te Ao Māori. It's been awesome learning this WAIATA. It means for us as Māori and Kiwis living in London a lot to us, and it really resonates with all of us. Being here, away from home and our families, really having that longing to return.
Nikau Te Huki is a dear friend of mine and the man that produced this WAIATA.
At first it was just another beautiful song that Helen had written, and the longer that Helen has been away, the stronger the meaning of the song becomes. Te Piringa means the coming together. Lament, longing. Helen's been away from home for well over a year now, and I'm sure all of her whānau can resonate with the lyrics in the track. He maunga motuake, feeling like a standalone mountain. I do miss my homie Len. Love you, sis.
I think honestly it's just been so cool to have written this song with Nikau and started off in Raglan recording in his home studio, and then to now be singing it with this roku here is just a crazy experience. I think we always imagined having lots of voices, and I think that to be able to sort of convey the message and the aroha in the song, to be able to have so many voices behind that has been really, really special. And yeah, it's crazy just even seeing people who now know this WAIATA and, you know, might sing it again in their repertoire, and like that's just such a cool experience for us.